Justin is here to report this severe weather. Hello. I'm in Kansas right now. My mom is really cold. This severe thunderstorm likely is producing winds up to 60 miles an hour. Now we're bracing ourselves for what is about to come. Me and Kansas are, and me and Mom in Kansas are chilly.
Be right back.
We're just looking at this weather phenomenon and seeing if we can break up the wind. The wind will break up itself. People are getting flus, colds, all of that stuff. This place is really bad right now. As you're looking over here in Kansas, you can see power outages a little bit, and you can see it means they stayed hunkered down. More than 10,000 residents without power. Others include being in weather shelters, not taking any chances. Jeez. This wind is powerful. This wind is definitely powerful. I'm reporting the weather right now. As we know it, weather, and yeah, I'm the weatherman, and we're just about ready to leave soon. Because this weather is outstandingly awful. Yeah, I'm cold. Yeah, this weather is not good. Blowing me off my feet, and I need to do something quick. Get the gas quick, and let's get in the car. Weather is pretty dang. I don't know what to tell you. This weather is horrible. Yeah, this thing is a monster. Hope for the best, everyone. For this, brace yourselves for this cold weather. Kansas City, Justin.